Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome to the Learning Nuggets on Applied Safe. My name is Peter Pedros. I'm CEO of PEDCO Managed Process Services. In today's Learning Nugget, I would like to talk to you a little bit about the portfolio level as it is implemented on Applied Safe 4.0. A specific point of interest is the area around budgeting, the handling of value streams, and how this gets finally reflected in the maintenance and building of the agile release trains, which are represented on the program level. For doing this, we go into the portfolio level and talk about the representations of the budgets. If we take a closer look on the budgets, we see that we may have several instances of portfolio in one safe implementation, but today we only talk about one specific portfolio. Since the new version of Applied Safe can also be reflected in different configurations on the so-called 3 and 4 level safe configurations, we have different instantiations. In order to give you a picture, I would like to lay out some possible instances of programs, value streams within a given portfolio. We have here one enterprise, and in our example we have one specific portfolio, and this portfolio can be represented in 2 value streams, which each of these value streams would hold several programs, and we can have a value stream which is too small to be represented in a value stream, and this is directly represented in an agile release train in a program. So we would have directly one instance of program directly bound to the portfolio, this portfolio. And of course, each program contains several teams which are actually doing the real work, programming, testing, and dealing about acceptance stories on the team level. But let's go back on the process itself, because if we go to the portfolio, this has also a representation on the process of release train building and maintenance. And for doing that, we go into the process itself. Taking a look in detail on that, we go into the process, release train building and maintenance, and we see that we are coming here from the budgeting process. And we have now a potentially new situation on this budget, which must be analyzed. And this is very important, since it has also influence on the train and its resources. It could possibly be that we have less budget, and that means that we have to allocate people to other trains, and this needs to be reflected. If we are on a 3-level configuration of SAFE, we would go to an assignment on the release train engineer itself, and then we would agree on a common alignment. And then what we would do is we're going to finally launch the train itself as well. If we have the configuration where program is handled in a separate value stream, we would do that directly in the value streams and not here on the portfolio level. We instantiate on the portfolio level for program directly because we don't have any other place to do that. If you want to have this process more nimble, you have the option to tell specifically your portfolio. You can do this by opting for one specific configuration where, for example, all value streams are represented either by the value stream or the program level. But tailoring is another topic for another learning nugget. This is all I wanted to say today. I wish you a nice day. Stay agile. Bye-bye.